Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Now I am here again with an interesting story, that is chapter number 5, An Act of Kindness in MSc. Children, this story tells us about a poor fisherman who saves the life of a fish. What does the fish give in return? Let's see. One day, the fisherman caught a very pretty yellow and blue fish. When he was going to keep it in his basket, suddenly the fish spoke. "Please put me back in the water. If you do, I will never forget your kindness. If you don't, I will die soon." The fisherman was surprised that a fish could talk, and soon he put it back in the water. The fish thanked him and happily moved away. That day the fisherman went back without any fish, and he was very sad because the money he earned from selling the fish. When he was going back, he met a man with a cow. The man asked him about his sadness. Then the fisherman told him that he and his wife were very poor and had nothing to eat. After listening his story, the man became ready to give his cow to the fisherman. But in return, they would have to answer 3 questions at the end of 3 years. If they were not able to answer the questions, he would make them his slaves. The fisherman agreed. Now the fisherman and his wife were spending the time very happily. But now they were worried to think about the man who gave them a cow, because he was about to come. Suddenly a handsome young man came at the door and asked the fisherman, "May I rest here for some time?" The couple agreed. At the appointed time, the strange man knocked the door and said, "The fisherman, the time has come to answer my questions." Then the young man signaled to the fisherman and his wife to be quiet. The man asked very difficult questions. The young man replied all of them correctly and saved the fisherman and his wife. The next morning, when he was leaving, the fisherman asked him, "Who are you, young man?" The youth replied, "I am the magic fish you had saved." And then he disappeared. So children, an act of kindness always brings rewards.